The Brazilian culture was pretty awesome. We told ourselves when we left South Africa, we said that, at each and every place that we get to, we will try and get local people aboard so that they can make their local food for us, and we'll be quite happy to pay. So this meal in Maceo, we had this wonderful family aboard. He brought his wife, his kids, and his grandkids. There were probably 14 of them on our small little yacht, but we managed. And he he showed me, do I want anything to drink? And I said, yeah, sure. I said, yeah, no problem. Man, and I saw he was pouring out of this bottle which didn't have a label. And then later on, we found out that that was locally made cane. And in that, he threw in some white stuff, and I had no idea what that was. But when I tasted that, I tasted it was condensed milk. So over there, you drink cane with condensed milk. And I must say, it was utterly nice. I thoroughly enjoyed that. And, it's just the amount. The amount of cane is like a double. So that went off quite well before the beans and the feijão and the pasta, which is the traditional dishes in Brazil. So the food was actually amazing. It was quite nice.